I'm on my way to go pick up some dry ice, and this is what I'm following. I bet this guy drives at Showtime. Race cars. Alright, what's up guys? So I just got some dry ice and a wire wheel from Home Depot. So I'm gonna be trying to get the rest of the sound deadening out of the car tonight. This stuff ain't cheap either. Jesus Christ, I spent like 50 bucks on this dry ice. So, holy crap. Hopefully I can like get this out of the way. Oh, there it goes. Jeez. I probably bought too much, but I wanted to have enough to do the rest of it, and I don't want to waste my time. So, I bought like 4 bags. Alright, so I'm going to start by zip tying this steering wheel up and then throwing this ice in here. Sorry if the lighting's pretty bad. I don't really have a good light to put in the car or anything. So, alright. So I got 2 bags in here. I'm gonna just chunk it up if I can. Oh, this is one of the trailers we're welding up right now. If anyone's ever wondering what I do for a living. But, alright. Okay. I just want to try to break this stuff up. Oh yeah. It's pretty crazy. Cool. Gotta go find some zip ties. Okay. Finally found some zip ties. Oh, I also took all this, I guess like heat shield or whatever it is. Here, I'll show you in a minute when it's not so dark. The stuff that goes on the firewall, got that all out too. So, alright, so yeah, if you watched my last video, I was talking about getting rid of this shell and maybe getting a coupe. So, yeah, just so you know, I decided to keep this shell and I'm tubing out the front and rear like I wanted to. And if you want to know more about that, well, if you're watching this on IG, you already should know, because if you watched the last episode. But if you're watching this on YouTube, go to my Instagram and you can watch my IGTV episode I did last about the car, and yeah, I'll catch you up, but I'll give you a quick little update. So yeah, I got the quarter cut out on this side. I got the gas tank out. I got this cut out. Still some more to get cut out. I haven't got this side yet, but I'm working on it. And then up front here, if you can see, I got the frame cut back and the wheel wells cut out and new subframe that I got to. I'm gonna chop that and relocate the rack forward. So yeah, making some progress for sure. So one thing at a time. Right now, my focus is getting all the sound deadening out, cleaning up all the seams, and stitch welding the whole interior of the car. And then I'm gonna stitch weld the engine bay and weld up some plates. Not today, probably next episode or next video. And yeah, then we should be putting some tubes in the car and then putting the cage in and doing that stuff. So getting there. I mean, once the chassis is done, it's really all about just painting it and, you know, starting to work on the engine. So slowly but surely.
Making a little bit of progress.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel like even the 4 bags I got isn't going to be enough to do the whole thing. But I'm going to keep going, try to get it out. Alright. It's coming along. It's getting there. I just got this these 2 front sections to do and over the trans tunnel. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to finish it tonight because I gotta get going, or if I'll even have enough dry ice to finish it anyways, because it's slowly dwindling. But yeah, it's coming along. It's getting there. Alright, so I'm back at the shop today. It's a couple days later since I was doing removing the sound deadening. So today I'm going to vacuum out the car, and then I'm going to start trying to wire wheel down some of these seams and get them ready for stitch welding. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So this is where I got last time. I pretty much got most of it out besides a little bit up there and this one right here. I ran out of time and I ran out of ice too, so that's for another day. I'm gonna go get some more ice and get that finished up. But for now, I'm just gonna start by vacuuming and then just wire wheeling down all the stuff that didn't come up. For the most part, it really did a good job, you know, but there's still little pieces, so I'm just gonna wire wheel those down. And then, yeah, maybe I'll actually get some stitch welding in today. We'll see, hopefully. Yo, so this is a messy job. I've only wire wheeled that much so far. It's just caked. Holy shit. You know what I love about this car though? Like, and the reason why I bought it and the reason why I want to build it, no matter where you look, there's not one single rust hole in the floor. Normally there's at least like one, like right here or somewhere. Like, literally no rust hole. This isn't a rust hole, this is like one of those caps. I don't know, there's all sorts of like this, like little caps. So like, it's just crazy. Like, it's just, I don't know, it's just such a clean body. Besides the fact that it's all fucked up now, but that's gonna be fixed anyways, and it's gonna be sick. So anyways, I'm getting back to it. Back to the wire wheeling. Yo, comment below if you've had one of these Amp Energy organic energy drinks. It's actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I'm getting back to it. So yeah, I'm wearing this mask because I'm pretty sure all this shit is cancerous and I shouldn't be breathing it in. so yeah, I'm masking it up for this one.
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
Hold on. Yeah, battery's dead. This thing is ripping through batteries. That was like a fully charged battery. God damn, I'm barely done with one side. Oh, if anyone wants to buy this, it's a heads-up display, got the digital speedo, it works. Hit me up. I'm trying to sell that. Damn, this one's not ready. I'm gonna be screwed if the batteries only last like 15 minutes and they take 6 hours to charge. Alright. I found one with 1 bar, so hopefully this lasts a little bit. Alright, so I'm having some like battery issues right now. So I'm gonna finish this up during the week, and then I'll come back when I'm stitch welding. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna just do this off camera because, you know, I don't know how much of this you guys want to see. Probably just want me to get to the welding anyways. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this video is probably way too long anyways, so I'm just gonna cut it here and then get back to it next week. But I'm starting to try to post a video every Monday, so once a week have a video. So hopefully I can stick to that schedule. It all depends on, honestly, it depends on funding. If I have the money to, you know, buy parts or whatever I need to, or tools to be doing something on the car. But I'm trying to just stick to that schedule of a video a week. So that's the goal, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do. So look forward to next Monday. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, actually if you're watching this on IG, I talked about in my last video how I was probably just gonna post, maybe just post on IG, but I'm actually gonna just keep posting on both YouTube and IG. So wherever you guys want to watch it, and yeah, I appreciate everyone that watches these videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Wow.